Our candy mixture has now reached 134 degrees. So what we're going to do is turn off the heat and we're going to pour it into our waiting chocolate. We have nice chopped chocolate. So we're going to take the spoon out and pour it in. You want to be very, very careful when pouring this mixture in because it is extremely hot and can easily burn you. And if it gets on your skin, not only is it going to burn you, but it's going to stick. Now you don't want to scrape down the sides of the pan. You just want to let that all pour into there because the sides could have little bits of burnt sugar on them depending on how well you stirred. So you want to pour that all in there, being very, very careful not to get any on yourself. And let that drip for another moment. You can see it's turned into a nice caramel color, all of the cooked sugar mixed with the condensed milk and the cream. And we have the speckles from the espresso. So now that that has all been poured in there, it's time for our next step.